Alright, here we're going to illustrate how to open your 971 LM compatible remote in case you need to change the battery inside the garage door opener. You can use the clip that comes with it, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. But in this case, we have the clip, so we'll go ahead and use the clip. There'll be a little slot on this side here, and also on this side here that you can kind of put in your paper clip and then just turn it. So here we'll go ahead and open it. You kind of just squeeze it in there and then just turn it to one side. That opens up the cover. Once that cover is open, you slide it open, or just not slide it, but just open it this way, and that opens up the remote control. Battery is right here. This is a 2032 battery that can be found pretty much anywhere. They're pretty accessible anywhere. Hardware stores, CVS, Walgreens, they sell them pretty much anywhere. It's a CR2032 3-volt lithium battery. When you put it on, there's two sides to it. That's your positive, that's your negative, I believe. No, actually it's the other way around. Positive, negative. And the way it goes, it just positive goes on the top. If you notice, it's got a positive sign on the remote there. So this is pretty much how you do it. If you do it this way, it's not going to work. And then you just kind of slide it right in there. That will make good contact on the remote. And that's pretty much it. This is your little push button that's obviously in front of the cover here, and when you press that, that opens your garage. You see a LED light indicating that your battery is working as well. Alright, that concludes this tutorial video on how to change your battery on your 971 LM compatible remote.